In a futuristic cityscape where the innovation and style seamless blend, the annual fashion show was about to begin. Embedded in the fabrics were delicate LED threads that pulsed in, synchronized with her heartbeat, a living display of fashion and technology intertwined. The model wore a flowing cap made of material so transparent it was nearly invisible to the naked eye. Miss Grand Vietnam often hosts fashion show as a part of pageant activities, showcasing various designers and celebrating Vietnamese fashion. This show usually features contestants wearing traditional Áo Dai, evening gown, or other modern fashion pieces by renowned Vietnamese designers. The show are highly anticipated event in the Miss Grand Vietnam pageant as they highlight the contestant voice, style and ability to carry different fashion looks with the grace. Bralettes and innovative cuts, luxury and glamour, high-end lingerie featuring intricate detailing, embellishment, and premium fabrics. Empowerment collection, design that emphasize body positivity, inclusivity, and self-confidence. Models should highlight key features of lingerie, bag design, and fabric movement with specific pose at the end of runway. There may be group segments or thematic presentation involving multiple models on stage. A lingerie fashion show in Vietnam would likely to be sophisticated event combining elegance, sensuality, and fashion-forward design. The theme for these fashion show vary with some emphasizing traditional Vietnamese culture and other focusing on modern and international standards. As the show reached its climax, a final assemble took the concept to its most daring extreme. The models moves, the fabric caught the ambient light in subtitled away, creating the ripple of reflections and shadows like air made tangible. The audience gasped in awe. It was a design that transcended fashion, become an art form. As the models gathered for the final walk, the message was clear: in a world that constantly conceals, fashion has power to reveal. Summer dress trends for 2024 highlights bold colors, sustainability, and a playful mix of style. Bold flora and tropical print are taking center stage. Oversized patterns, geometric design, and artistic prints are also popular. These trends reflect a balance between boldness and simplicity, allowing for both statement making and easygoing style in summer season.